Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we are going to revise the lesson, Be a Good Listener. Okay? See, listening, as I told you, listening is a very important skill. Okay? LSRW skill. I have told you about LSRW skill. These are the basic skill: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So listening is very first and very important skill. So be a good listener. It is important to be a good listener when you are learning a language, especially in case of any language. If you are a good listener, you are doing or you are learning language, or when you are dealing with other people. So listening is very important. Okay. Are you a good listener? I am asking you a question. Are you a good listener? Yes or no? You can find it out with the help of the following questions. Some questions are given and you can find are you a good listener by the help of the following questions. Number one, when you are listening to someone, do you look at the person or do you turn your head away or toy with something else? When someone is speaking to you, or you're looking at that person or not, it is very important. And you are looking or not, or you turn your head away or playing with the toy, or toy with something else. What are you doing? So good listener, look at the speaker. Good listener is that who look at the speaker. Now, question number two, do you pay attention to what the speaker is saying? Do you pay attention? आप उनकी तरफ ध्यान देते हो क्या? Do you pay attention to what the speaker is saying? Good listeners pay close attention to the speaker. Good listener pay close attention to the speaker. So those who are the good listeners, they pay close attention to the speaker. Okay. Here are some of the things that will help you to understand the speaker better. Okay, the things which understand the speaker better. So what are the things? Just we will see. If you hear some new or unfamiliar words, if you hear some new or unfamiliar words, try to guess their meaning from the context. Try to guess their meaning from the context. You can try to guess what the speaker will say next. You can try to guess what the speaker will say next. Try to keep listening even when you feel that you do not understand the speaker. If you don't understand what the speaker is telling you, just try to keep listening even you don't understand. Or when you disagree with the speaker. अगर आप एग्री नहीं हो तो सुनो सिर्फ. Wait for the speaker to finish his point. Okay. Wait for the speaker to finish what he is saying. Then you can get your doubts clarified by asking polite questions. By asking polite questions. Do not feel shy or afraid to ask questions if you do not understand what is being said. Put your questions to the speaker politely. Sometimes it helps to note down important words or points even as you listen. And lastly, it also helps to keep thinking about what you heard. You may grasp the meaning of a difficult word or phrase later on. You may grasp the meaning of a difficult word or phrase later on. Okay, now write the characteristics of a good listener. So you know, good listener look at the speaker, good listeners pay attention to the speaker. Okay. So good listener concentrate on the speaker's word. Okay. These are the characteristics of a speaker. Good listener keep listening even when he feel that he don't understand what the speaker is saying, though he is listening. Yes, good listener ask polite questions. Good listener ask polite questions. You may grasp the meaning of a difficult word or phrase. So these are the qualities, important qualities of a good listener. Okay. When you are listening very patiently, then you are able to connect with that speaker. Okay. If you concentrate, you are able to connect with the speaker. Okay. And if you have any doubt about the text, you can ask polite question to the speaker. Let him finish first, then you can ask your doubt, your question to the speaker. Understood? So this is about a good listening. So if you have any doubt about the text or what the speaker is saying, do not feel shy or afraid to ask questions if you do not understand what is being said. Put your question to the speaker politely. Put your question to the speaker politely. Understood? Okay. Now, listen carefully and guess how the sentence would end. Okay. One word you have to write. So we are already we have written. We are doing only revision. So I'll read it. Listen carefully and guess how the sentence would end. Once there was a crow. He was very thirsty. He wanted to drink some water. To fill in the blanks. He wanted to drink what? Water. Some water because he is very thirsty. Okay. Second, there were dark clouds in the sky. There were dark clouds in the sky. Soon it began to rain. Yes, cloud, rain. This tape is broken. Please be careful. This tape is broken. Please be careful. See, when the students saw the question paper, they were happy. When the students saw the question paper, they were happy. When the teacher read the answer paper, she was disappointed. When the students saw the question paper, they were happy. When the teacher read the answer papers, she was disappointed. She was disappointed. So these are the sentences which end with this particular, what we can say, words. Okay. Now, I have told you some activities also. So just we will revise it. Sit quietly for some time. Close your eyes and listen carefully to all the sounds that you hear. Can you guess what sounds they are? Who or what is making that sound? So yes, you have to listen quietly and close your eyes. So you will listen outdoor, what we can say, sound, chirping of birds, whistle of cooker, rustling of leaves, songs being played. Okay, so you can hear all these sounds. Now note down with your, yes, note down what you heard. You have to make a note about that. Yes, list 5 of the sounds that you like and 5 of the sounds that you don't like. So we have done this activity. Honking of vehicles, screeching of tires, cawing of the cows, cawing of the crows, cawing of the crows. So you don't like this and you like this. So you have to write down 5. sounds that you like and 5 sounds that you don't like. Okay. So good readers try to, yes, so this is about the activities and group work we have also done. Write the points what makes a good reader. So good listener, you know. What about good readers? So we have written point already. Just I am reading. Good readers try to gauge the meaning of a new or unfamiliar words from the context. A good reader visualize while reading. A good reader visualize while reading. Good readers get their doubts clarified by asking polite questions. Good reader reads different kinds of books. Good reader enjoys what is being read. So this is the quality of a good reader. Now, revise all of the lesson. Be a good listener. Okay. Revise all the question answers of the lesson. Be a good listener. Okay. So do your homework. Bye.